Hey, Brandon.
What's that?
Mann Lake has an app.
It does?
Check this out, yeah. You can watch the latest Beekeepers Buzz videos on here.
That seems like a lot easier way to find them.
Much easier.
Yep.
There's a ton of resources on getting started, and here's my favorite part. You know I love to garden. There's a plant ID feature. Check this out. You just tap, and it ID'd the Brazilian pepper plant. And best part is, it'll tell me if it's good for bee forage, whether or not it's toxic to bees, and just a little bit more information about the plant. Plus, if you go onto the Plant ID tab, there's all kinds of information about pollinator plants and pollinator guides. So I can go through and find my region, and it lists out all the plants that are gonna be good for my bees. This is awesome.
That is fantastic. And this isn't even necessarily a plant, it's a tree. Right?
Good point.
Right?
Good
point.
point.
You know, think about people, like at my house, I don't have a ton of plants, but I've got a ton of trees. I don't know what they are, and they put out those blooms. I'd have to imagine that if you took a picture of the basswood blossoms, that you would get that pulled up.
It's so hard to know when you're at the garden center whether or not I should buy a plant for my bees, and now it's all right in one place. Plus, you can do your shopping and buy your favorite Mann Lake products. This is an amazing resource. Thank you, Mann Lake.